Hi, everyone. I'm dropping in to share with you how to make a copy of your digital activities resource. So first, you'll need to log in to the Google account where you plan to use your resource. Next, you'll need to go back to the document that you downloaded after you completed your purchase. Within this document is a link to the digital activities resource. When you click that link, you will end on a page that looks like this. So as you can see, it's asking us to make a copy of the document. So I'm going to go ahead and click Make a Copy. It's going to take just a moment, but my digital activities resource will pop up in a new slide. There it is. And if I go here to the title, you'll notice that Google has already added copy of. That way you know that it's a copy. I'm going to take that out. I'm just going to delete the part that says copy of because this is now in my own folder, so I don't need it to say copy of. And I can see here where it's been saved. It's in my drive. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this folder. Click Move there. And now it's within a specific folder on my Google Drive account. And that's it. The digital activities resource is ready to go.